In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a normal video to 4K in CapCut step by step so you can make your footage look sharper, cleaner, and more professional. Whether you're editing a short clip, a YouTube video, or social media content, this method will help you get the best possible result from standard resolution footage. And if you want more easy CapCut tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful editing tips. Let's jump right in. First, you need to force your project into a 4K canvas. CapCut usually matches your project settings to the first clip you import, which means if your original video is low resolution, your preview and export settings may stay limited unless you change them manually. So go ahead and import your clip, then drag it down to the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, look directly below the preview window on the right side of the screen and find the ratio button. Click that, then choose Customize from the menu. Now enter 3840 for the width and 2160 for the height. This is the standard 4K odd resolution, and it tells CapCut to work inside a true 4K project space. After you enter those numbers, click Save. This first step is important because it gives your video the correct output frame to work with. If you skip this, your video may still export in a lower quality format or not display properly inside a 4K project. So always start by setting the canvas to 3840 by 2160. Now that the project is set to 4K, the next step is to improve the actual quality of the footage. Simply stretching a normal video to 4K does not magically add detail. In fact, it can make the clip look softer or blurrier if you do nothing else. That is why you should use CapCut's AI enhancement feature when available. Click on the video clip in your timeline so it becomes selected. Then go to the right side Properties panel and open the Video tab. From there, click the Basic section. Scroll down until you find Enhance Quality. If you see the option, turn it on. Then set the enhancement level to UD or 4K, depending on what CapCut shows in your version. After that, give it a moment to process. You may see a loading or processing bar while CapCut works on the clip. Let that finish before moving on. If you want even cleaner results, look just below for Reduce Image Noise and turn that on as well. This can help smooth out grain, compression artifacts, and pixel noise, especially if your original video was recorded on a phone or downloaded from a compressed source. The goal here is to let CapCut rebuild the footage as cleanly as possible before export. Now, there is an important catch you should know. The AI image and video enhancement feature is usually locked behind CapCut Pro. That means if you are using the free version, you may still be able to preview the enhancement, but when you try to export, CapCut may ask you to upgrade before you can download the final file. So if you have CapCut Pro, use the AI enhancement option for the best result. But if you are on the free version, don't worry, because there is still a good workaround you can use. For the free method, skip the AI enhancement tool entirely and focus on manual quality improvements. Go back to your project canvas and keep it set to 4K. Then open the adjustment panel and look for sharpen controls. Raise sharpen to around 15 to 20% and increase clarity to around 30 to 50%. These settings can help bring back some perceived detail and make the footage appear sharper without relying on the Pro-only AI feature. You do want to be careful not to overdo it though, because too much sharpening can make the video look harsh or unnatural. The key is to improve clarity while still keeping the image clean and watchable. After making those adjustments, your video should look noticeably better than the original, especially on larger screens. Once your video is enhanced and your project is set correctly, it's time for the final export. Click the blue export button in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens the export settings, and this part is very important if you want the final file to actually come out in 4K. Expand the video exporting options and set the resolution to 4K, which should show as 3840 by 2160. Then look for bitrate and change it to higher. This matters because bitrate controls how much detail is preserved during export. If the bitrate is too low, your 4K video can still look compressed or soft, even if the resolution is correct. Next, match the frame rate to your original footage. So if your clip was recorded in 30 frames per second, keep it at 30 FPS. If it was 60 FPS, export it at 60 FPS. Matching the original frame rate helps avoid motion issues and keeps the output smooth and consistent. For the format, choose MP4 or MOV depending on what you prefer or what your platform supports best. Then click Export and let CapCut finish rendering the video. And that's it. You've now learned how to convert a normal video to 4K in CapCut, whether you are using the AI enhancement feature or the free manual workaround. Just remember the 3 key things. Set your canvas to 4K, improve the clip with enhancement or manual sharpening, and export with the correct 4K resolution and higher bitrate. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.